Every loaf begins here, in fields of golden wheat. Precision harvesting captures the grains at their peak. These grains will soon begin their journey to the factory. Inspection ensures only the finest grains are selected.
This batch looks good. Check the truck. On it.
Transportation begins, connecting farm to factory. Each journey carries the promise of fresh bread. Quality is constantly monitored, even in transit. Arrival at the facility marks the next phase of transformation. Efficiency begins with careful handling of raw materials. Every kernel moves along a controlled path. Human oversight ensures perfection before processing begins.
Flow looks steady. Good. Keep it even.
Debris-free grains are ready for milling. Storage silos preserve quality until milling begins. Precision monitoring ensures consistent supply. The journey continues as grains approach their first transformation. Every batch is verified for consistency and quality. From field to factory, wheat is ready to become flour. Careful handling ensures this flour is perfect for the next stage. From storage silos, the journey continues toward processing. Each truck carries the foundation of tomorrow's bread. Precision logistics keep production on schedule. Technology ensures that every delivery meets strict standards. Even in transit, quality is never compromised. Every movement is monitored to prevent damage. The final leg brings the wheat closer to transformation. Controlled entry maintains safety and workflow integrity.
Sleep na miras tritaraho. Keep it coming. Straight back. Slow down now. Almost there. Stop right there.
Precision ensures safe and smooth unloading. Automation begins integrating with human effort. From truck to line, every step is seamless. Traceability ensures consistency for every batch.
Bin loaded. Scanned. Next.
The factory interior awaits, ready for transformation. Efficiency is built into every movement of the grains.
Check this side. It's off by a hair. Got it. Looks better now.
Human expertise complements automated systems. The first stage inside the factory begins with care. Consistency here ensures perfect dough later. Transported with precision, the flour is ready for transformation. Every journey, every grain, is part of the bread story. The heart of the bakery comes alive as the day begins. Every entrance is monitored, maintaining workflow security. Controlled access ensures efficiency and safety. Preparation outside mirrors the precision inside. Every delivery enters a system built for consistency. Inside, automation and human skill converge seamlessly. Efficiency begins the moment raw materials enter the doors. Verification ensures traceability at every stage. Every movement is choreographed for speed and safety. Consistency is maintained through human oversights. From the outside, the process appears seamless.
Check the alignment here. Looks good. Pushing the next bin.
Every hand gesture guides the workflow forward. Curved paths direct raw ingredients toward their first transformation. Here, the raw flour begins its journey to become dough. Every adjustment ensures uniform mixing for perfect dough. Transformation begins with motion and precision. The journey continues, linking each stage flawlessly. Every movement is deliberate, every step controlled. Before transformation, every grain must be spotless and uniform. Precision cleaning ensures purity for every batch. Human oversight guarantees consistency at every step. Sorting separates grains by size, preparing for perfect dough. Each sieve refines the flour to exact standards. Samples are checked to maintain quality assurance. Magnetic separation guarantees safety before processing. Even the smallest impurities are carefully removed. Sorting is streamlined, preparing flour for transformation. Automation works hand in hand with human precision. Controlled airflow maintains cleanliness throughout the line. Accuracy here is crucial for consistent dough quality. Every batch is verified before blending begins. The clean, sorted flour now moves toward transformation. Every journey starts with precision and care from the factory floor. The first transformation begins as flour becomes dough. Transported with precision, the dough is ready for kneading. Consistency here ensures the perfect texture for every loaf. Here, ingredients converge, beginning the heart of bread making. Precision in every addition ensures perfect fermentation later. Transformation begins as flour, water, and yeast merge. Even at this stage, careful handling prevents imperfections. Every batch is manually verified to maintain quality. Kneading develops the gluten, creating strength and texture. Human oversight fine-tunes every machine setting. Consistent portions guarantee uniform loaves later. Precision cutting creates uniformity from the start. Rounding shapes dough for consistent baking. Controlled fermentation ensures rise and texture.
Yeast brings life to the dough, preparing it for baking.
Every loaf begins to take its recognizable form. Shaping ensures consistency before baking begins. Quality checks at every stage maintain perfect standards. Preparation is complete, transformation through heat awaits. Baking transforms dough into golden, aromatic bread. From raw ingredients to baked perfection, the journey continues. After baking, loaves enter a controlled cooling stage. Cooling ensures texture is perfect for slicing and packaging. Human oversight complements automated precision. Slicing transforms the loaves into ready-to-use portions. Precision ensures every slice is consistent. Automation now takes over for packaging efficiency. Sealed for freshness, each loaf is ready for distribution. Human oversight prevents interruptions and maintains flow. Each package is labeled for traceability and consumer information. Accuracy ensures every product meets brand standards. Automation maximizes efficiency while maintaining safety. Human precision ensures stability in every stack. Products are transported safely, ready for storage or dispatch. Organized storage preserves quality before delivery. Traceability tracks every loaf from oven to consumer. Final inspections ensure only perfect bread moves forward. Every adjustment contributes to flawless operation. From mixing to baking, every process merges into seamless automation. Automation now orchestrates the flow with precision. Robots handle delicate products without error. High-tech systems sort and direct each product seamlessly. Labels are applied with perfect alignment every time. Sensors verify each product, rejecting anything imperfect. Every anomaly is caught before it reaches the consumer. Robots maximize speed while maintaining product integrity. Human oversight ensures technology works flawlessly. Packaging technology preserves freshness for every loaf. Every pallet is sealed to protect the bread in transit. Forklifts now work in harmony with automated production lines. Automation maintains precise organization in storage. Sensors ensure every pallet occupies the correct space. Smart systems route products efficiently for delivery. Automation bridges production and logistics seamlessly. Traceability continues until products leave the facility. High-tech systems synchronize production with delivery schedules. From production to dispatch, technology ensures perfect timing. The finishing line ensures each loaf meets exact standards. Precision cutting creates uniform shapes for every loaf. Human verification complements automated precision. A light glaze adds sheen and preserves freshness. Sensors guarantee uniform application across all loaves. Each slice is cut to perfection, ready for final packaging. Final checks ensure consistency before sealing. Automation guarantees speed without sacrificing accuracy. Sealing protects the product for storage and transport. Robotic systems handle products delicately and efficiently. Precision stacking prevents damage and maintains order. Every layer is double-checked to maintain quality. Shrink wrapping ensures freshness for each batch. Forklifts integrate seamlessly with automated production lines. Organization and storage preserves both quality and efficiency. Sensors guarantee exact placement and flawless tracking. Every pallet undergoes final scrutiny before storage.
Confirmed. Every pallet passes inspection.
Precision and finishing ensure only the best products proceed forward. Every batch undergoes strict quality inspection before leaving the facility. Visual inspection catches imperfections early. Weight and consistency are verified for every loaf. Moisture levels are critical for shelf life and texture. Elasticity tests confirm perfect gluten development. Temperature checks ensure proper baking throughout. Color analysis guarantees visual quality for consumers. Data-driven checks complement human inspection. Safety and hygiene are verified with meticulous testing. Laboratory results confirm every batch is safe for consumption. Traceability ensures every product can be tracked. Approved products are systematically organized for storage. Automation and human oversight ensure precision storage. Each pallet is accounted for before leaving production. Every check is a step toward delivering perfection. From lab to logistics, quality is never compromised. Automation ensures smooth transition from storage to dispatch. With rigorous testing complete, the product is ready to reach the world. Every pallet is verified one last time before leaving the factory. Traceability ensures every product is accounted for. Automation handles heavy loads efficiently and safely. Human oversight guarantees safe transport of products. Sealed and secure, each pallet is ready for distribution. Distribution begins, connecting factory to consumers worldwide. Every journey starts with precision and care from the factory floor. Storage systems maintain organization for rapid retrieval. Precision in storage preserves both quality and efficiency. Digital tracking ensures seamless inventory management. Preparation for dispatch is smooth and automated. And this is how modern factories produce bread from start to finish. And this is how modern factories produce bread from start to finish. And this is how modern factories produce bread from start to finish. And this is how modern factories produce bread from start to finish. And this is how modern factories produce bread from start to finish.